Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Thanks to its impressive payload and extended range, the United States military employed the B-52 Stratofortress during the Cold War, the Vietnam War, and in numerous conflict zones such as Iraq and Afghanistan. Introduced in the 1950s, this durable aircraft can travel as far as 9,000 miles, while hauling up to 70,000 pounds of weaponry, which largely explains why the U.S. military has relied on the B-52 for over 65 years and intends to keep it operational for many more. Throughout its service life, the B-52 has received multiple upgrades to address technological limitations and remain relevant in modern combat scenarios. Preparing the B-52 for flight demands several hours of ground support operations. While all aircraft go through pre-flight routines, the B-52's age necessitates a more comprehensive inspection. Ground crews and flight personnel meticulously examine its exterior, checking brakes, tires, and engines, and any defect discovered is addressed immediately. During the Vietnam War, the United States maintained persistent bombing efforts using B-52s, and only 31 of these massive aircraft were lost. This is largely due to the bomber's ability to release weapons from its bomb bay shortly after takeoff. Originally, the B-52 was designed to carry conventional bombs from its two bomb bays to strike ground-based targets. While effective, this design didn't offer in-flight flexibility to change weapons. However, the latest upgrades introduced a system called the Common Strategic Rotary Launcher, or CSRL, which can carry various missiles, bombs, and precision-guided munitions. It also gives the aircrew the capability to switch weapons mid-mission with the flip of a switch. CSRL brought not only enhanced firepower but also greatly improved operational adaptability. A key advantage of using rotary launchers with B-52s is the ability to preload them with munitions before installation. Loading the CSRL with weapons can take up to 11 hours, after which the launcher is placed on a trailer and transported by vehicle to the aircraft. Once there, the rotary launcher undergoes detailed inspection and is positioned directly beneath the B-52's bomb bay. It is then gradually elevated and secured within the bay, followed by carefully closing the weapons bay doors to complete the process.
Got it.
In September 2014, the U.S. Air Force showcased its strategic capabilities during a nuclear weapons system evaluation program sortie. A B-52H Stratofortress launched an unarmed AGM-86B air-launched cruise missile, ALCM, over the Utah Test and Training Range. This drill demonstrated the Air Force's ability to retrieve an ALCM from storage, loaded onto a B-52, carry out a mock combat mission, and accurately deploy the missile to its simulated target.
Today, what we're going to be doing is taking out our one of our AGM-86B cruise missiles. They're going to be loaded up to the B-52, and they're going to be test flown as part of the Weapons System Evaluation Program. We do this every year, where we basically we're validating that the weapon system is still good, that it's still valuable and able to be used whenever need be.
On the 13th of June, 2011, the U.S. Air Force carried out a test of the X-51 after launching it from a B-52 Stratofortress over the Pacific Ocean. The Waverider managed to reach hypersonic speeds just above Mach 5. However, the mission was cut short when the scramjet engine failed to achieve full thrust. Despite attempts to restart the engine, the Waverider ultimately crashed into the Pacific. In addition to the B-52, the U.S. Air Force also fields other bombers like the B-1 Lancer in its long-range strike fleet. The B-1 has recently been upgraded with the Integrated Battle System, IBS, which combines 3 enhancements: a fully integrated data link, a vertical situation display upgrade, VSDU, and a central integrated system upgrade. The VSDU modernizes the B-1's front cockpit by replacing 2 monochrome screens with 4 color multifunctional displays, offering the pilot and co-pilot enhanced situational awareness in a more intuitive layout. The B-1 Lancer features a spacious bomb bay capable of accommodating various weapons. Navy ordnance teams assemble inert Mark 62 Quick Street Reich mines to be loaded onto the aircraft. These mines are equipped with an arming device in the front section and a target detection device, or TDD, at the rear. Explosive Ordnance Disposal, EOD. Officers are tasked with overseeing the mine assembly process until the mines are fully prepared to be mounted onto the B-1. With 3 internal bomb bays and 6 external hardpoints located beneath its fuselage, the B-1 Lancer can carry a diverse arsenal. The aircrew loads each missile onto a carrier, which is then positioned beneath the aircraft. The missile is slowly hoisted and secured into the bomb bay. The B-1 can accommodate up to 75,000 pounds of munitions internally, while the external stations support an additional 59,000 pounds. Initially built to deliver both nuclear and conventional ordnance, the B-1 was later restricted to conventional roles following the U.S.-Russia Strategic Arms Reduction Treaty, making it a permanent, non-nuclear platform. The U.S. Air Force regularly executes Bomber Task Force, BTF, missions with B-1 Lancers. These global missions involve deploying various bomb types to bolster combat preparedness. Such operations send a clear message that the U.S. can dispatch B-1 bombers anywhere at any time in support of allies serving as a strategic deterrent to any adversary. The B-2 Spirit can carry a versatile selection of munitions, including nuclear weapons, GPS-guided Joint Direct Attack Munitions, JDAMs, and massive ordnance penetrator bunker busters, all stored within its 2 internal bomb bays. The aircraft's structure enables it to deliver these payloads with pinpoint precision while maintaining stealth, making it a critical asset in America's strategic bomber fleet. Its bomb bays are adaptable to various configurations, supporting different mission demands. To ensure the accurate loading and handling of such advanced munitions, the B-2 employs Spirit weapons load training exercises to prepare its crew. This system allows ground teams to rehearse loading procedures in a realistic, yet controlled environment. The trainer replicates the B-2's actual layout, enabling crews to refine their techniques safely. These exercises are essential for maintaining crew readiness and operational efficiency. In real missions, loading ammunition into a B-2 is a carefully coordinated process. Technicians use specialized gear, such as Munitions Handling Unit, MHU-204, and MHU-196 trailers, to transport and load weapons with precision. Each munition is secured and connected to delivery systems like rotary launchers or bomb racks. This process involves several steps, including preload checks and diagnostic tests, to ensure the aircraft is mission-ready before departure. The A-10 was specifically engineered to target enemy tanks and armored vehicles at low altitudes. Its design centers around the GAU-8 Avenger Gatling gun, a powerful 30mm weapon featuring 7 rotating barrels and powered by 2 hydraulic motors. Each barrel is 7.5 feet long and weighs 70 pounds, and the gun can unleash fire at a staggering 3,900 rounds per minute. Ground crews must manually reload the A-10's ammunition drum, a process that can take hours. Trained ordnance specialists mount both guided and unguided weapons onto the A-10, such as paveway bombs, which are attached to wing-mounted hardpoints. The 30mm gun also uses a loading adapter, which can simultaneously load and unload ammunition. This adapter is powered by the aircraft's hydraulic system and secured by a locking head to ensure stability during loading. To maintain accuracy while avoiding friendly fire, the A-10 was built to be both slow and resilient. It includes multiple safety features, including a titanium bathtub cockpit designed to withstand explosive impacts and armor-piercing rounds. It also boasts superb maneuverability, countermeasure systems, separated engines, self-sealing fuel tanks, and manual backup flight controls. With nearly 50 years of service, the A-10 has consistently delivered powerful, accurate close air support, CAS, to protect ground troops in hostile environments. Flying low to the ground, The A-10 Warthog can execute devastating attacks on enemy targets in what are known as strafing runs. Its formidable weaponry allows for destructive precision at short ranges, providing a tactical edge in combat situations. The A-10 Warthog stands out as an elite attack aircraft, uniquely suited for close air support missions. Its long-standing service record and exceptional performance are a testament to the rigorous maintenance and upgrades it has received, preserving its formidable capabilities over time. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.